What's up guys, Vinyl here, and today bringing you some battle cats. Just saying again, oh, I'm about to read chapter 2. Yes. But just saying, music in the background is by Next Up. Well, Next P. Go check him out. He does amazing music. Good loot. He's not being silver. I'm gonna get a fun trick about hard. About hard? Yeah. Oh, look at this guy. Yeah, but there's no way you'll be able to even get in there. Some people are stupid and accidentally make openings. Yeah, well, take it. Dude, why didn't we take them? That was 50,000. That was decent. Something at least over 20,000. Huh? Something at least over 20,000, right? 20,000? An easy loot to get. No, you can't really. No, I find that easily though, huh? Easy loot. I get lucky sometimes. Cheap loot. So over how much, Tom? At least 20. I usually look for over hundreds for me. Or higher, lucky. I'm trying to hit me. Do you think I could? But, sorry for not uploading lately. I've been doing other things besides YouTube. And then just send a barn over whatever it is. Gotta send a couple over here for Giants are weak if you think about it. Well, I mean, like they're strong, but at the same time, he has over 2 giants. It makes sense. They don't do that much until they start upgrading them. It's this mortar. If I can destroy that, then it's nothing. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. I think that matters. If that archer goes, I can destroy that mortar. The only thing that matters is you can get nukes. I got tons of it. Oh, and I got a victory too. Tons of it. spells. Swear. This song makes me want to dance. Wait, what is better? Barbarians or archers? Like, what are they're kind of both good. Well, which one's better, like barbs do damage, and they have a decent amount of health. Archers sit back and do damage. Barbs actually go into the battle and it does more damage, right? Yeah. But archers, if you sit back and put up some meat shields, you're good. Is that Apple Cat? Yeah, it's Apple Cat. Called Face Cat. For a second, you know what I thought it was? The actual face. That's how I saw it looked like. I don't think it's supposed to be doing that. Yeah, I did 30 archers, 2 giants, and 30 barbarians.
Let's hurry up and finish this guy off.
So this is what you do, you level up everything before you level up the town hall?
Well, yeah. Thank you.
Oh, I mean everything. Like, as soon as you upgrade everything, you...
Well, not everything. To be honest, what I do is... My main goal is to max out defenses. Alright guys, peace out. Like, comment, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys later.